Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find draft videos on YouTube. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's first make a draft video. Open your YouTube app and then tap on this little plus icon in the center bottom of your screen. Select the Shorts button to open camera and record a video. Record a few seconds video by tapping the camera button. Once you recorded your video, tap on the X icon on the top left corner. Now select the Save and Exit button. Now we're gonna find the draft video. Tap on the plus icon again. Now tap on the draft button in the right side of the record button. All your draft videos appear here. Select the one you want to upload. You can also apply effect or write text onto this video, but I will leave that at your own hands. Tap on Next to type captions for this or change its visibility status. Once everything is according to your wish, tap on Upload and the video will be uploaded to your channel. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.